If you've never eaten a Dodo puff puff or made it yourself, then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to show you how you can make Dodo puff puff. Yeah, so you know your process of making puff puff. So just get a very ripe plantain, slice it and fry it, keep it aside. Slice your pepper and onion, keep it aside while you are already mixed puff puff batter would be fermenting. And here we didn't use anything much: some flour, sugar, salt, nutmeg, and yeast mixed together, and add warm water so that the action of the yeast can be faster. Okay. Now, after 20 minutes, keep in mind that you can leave this as long as 1 hour or as low as 45 minutes, 20, and all of that. So I used 20 minutes, and this was the level, that is to show that it has fermented. Even though while I was frying, it kept fermenting because it was not fully, you know, risen before I started frying. Okay, now add those other stuff that you have kept ready, and then give it a gentle mix like this and begin to fry. Trust me, this tasted so heavenly. You need to, add this to your culinary repertoire. Okay, and yeah, if you have watched till this point, it means you're finding value in this video. Kindly like, share, and comment. Okay, every woman should know this puff puff recipe. Mm? And especially for those who do small chops catering, they can just use this to augment. I see in the combo of their small shop, sometimes you see sliced plantains and all of that. Rather than have that kind of stress, just incorporate everything into the puff puff, and it gives I mean, your guests something different to wow their taste bud. It tasted so good. And if you're doing this method, please do not add too much of sugar. Okay? This goodness is done. Can you see the right in there? I'm sorry, my lighting is not giving enough goodness of the picture quality of this snack. But just, know that it was pink, it was yummy. Look at the dodo sitting right inside. Look at the atarodo pepper that decided to show itself outside rather than inside, where it was looking all good. Okay, and right in there, I don't know if you can see the onion, the pepper flakes, and all what have you guys. This was so good. Ah, you needed to taste this. And it was so crunchy. It was so, I think you should hear how crunchy it was in my mouth. Mm, mm, so good.